Welcome back, everyone. Today on Test It Ralph, I'm going to be installing my engine cover on my 2018 Honda Accord Sport. There's a couple things that we're going to need tools wise. We're going to need a ratchet with a 12mm socket with an extension, and also a 10mm wrench. And stay tuned for the process and you'll see why I need those tools. Alright guys, so for the install, the engine cover kit includes 3 standoffs that look like these right here, which one's going to go here, one goes here, and another one goes right back here, which is a 12mm bolt. So we'll start removing them. Also, there's one that has a shorter thread. That's the one that goes located here. When you do take the bolts off, you can compare the threads. So that's the longer bolt. Now we're going to move on to the 12mm bolt. Guys, once all those bolts are completed, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the oil cap. Just place it to the side, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the engine cover installation. That's the final look. Quick, easy upgrade. Definitely improves your engine bay. I really like the look of it. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. And again, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. Stay tuned for more.